Well, hello there, kindergarten friends. Welcome back to Number Corner. I missed you on Monday, but I hope you enjoyed your extra day off. Now, we have some catching up to do, but the first thing is, silly Miss Reardon, I just changed August to September. Silly me, I must have said August last week by accident. But now that it's changed, let's find out what today is in our new month. Ready? Today is September 9th. 2020. Say it with me. Today is September 9th, 2020. Let's sing our Days of the Week song and then find out what day it is. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now, you know what to do to find out what day of the week it is. We go to today, the last card flipped over, and we go up, up, up to Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. One more time. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Now I want you to take a peek at our September calendar and notice a pattern. Last month we had patterns of shapes. This month we have a different kind of pattern. Go ahead and take a look. What do you notice? Did you see the colors? If you did, you're absolutely right. Let's look at it together. Ready? Orange, yellow, blue. Orange, yellow, blue. Orange, yellow, blue. If we ended with blue, what color do you think will come next? Remember, it's an ABC pattern, so it repeats itself. So after blue, what comes next? Go ahead. Here's a hint. Look at another blue card and find out what color comes after. Orange. So tomorrow, I'm going to flip this on over, and we will see that is going to be orange. Great job finding out that pattern with me. So we did miss a day, which is right here. Now we need to find out how many days have we been in school, starting all the way back here, because this is the last day that we had Number Corner. Ready? We're going to start here, and we are at 10, 20, 30, 5. Holy moly! Remember our 10 frames? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's where we left off. Now we need to count on to see how many days we've been on since then. So this was 35. Ready? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Let's do that one more time. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We've been in school for how many days? 40. Holy guacamole. Let's go ahead and put it into our 10 frame and add it to our links. So I know that I had 35 last time. So now that I'm onto that bottom row, what color am I going to use instead? Blue. So I'm going to keep counting until I get to 40. Ready? We stopped at 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Give me a thumbs up if I filled my whole 10 frame. You are absolutely right, which means I get to do a switcheroo. I am going to take this guy out and I'm going to put this guy up next. So now that we know that our whole 10 frame is filled, we can count by 10s, and that's it. We don't have to count on again. So let's count by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I see that my link needs some blue links. Where did my links go? Here they are. So I had 5 red links, so now I need to add 5 more blue links to make 40. So I have 10, 20, 30, 35. This is where I left off last time. 35, 36, 37, 38. There we go. 39. What comes after 39? 40. Ding, ding, ding. So now we've shown 40 into our 10 frames. And now I have 4 links of 10, which makes 40. Let's make sure real quick. Ready? Count by 10s again with me. 10, 20, 30, and now I have 40. Oh my goodness, my hook is almost not holding it. Now I need to also add it up here so we know what that number looks like. 40. What number do you hear in the beginning of that word? 40. You're right, I also hear 4. 40 looks like this. It's a 4 and a 0. 40. Our number is 40. I cannot believe that we've been in school for 40 days. Holy moly. All right, we know what day it is. We also did our days in school. It is time for calendar collector. You are going to need your whiteboard, so please pause, go get your whiteboard, and come back. Make sure you have it because you are going to be taking a picture and sending it in as your activity on Seesaw for today. So go get your whiteboard, come back when you're ready. All right, my friends, do you have your whiteboard ready? Awesome. We are going to start by drawing a number tree. Remember how we did that? Let's go ahead and draw it together. We start with a nice big square on the top. So start with a square on top, just like that. When your square is done, then I put 2 lines coming out from the middle. Does yours look like mine so far? Just do your very best. Now we are going to put a square on this side. And do you remember where the other square goes? Yep, that's right, on the other side. Remember, if you ever need a second to catch up, just pause the video and press play when you are ready. Now let's remind ourselves about a number tree. It has, 3 different squares, but what goes inside? Well, let's sing our song to remember. A number tree has a part hole, part hole, part hole. A number tree has a part hole, and the whole is the total. We need to start with our parts. So I'm going to spin my handy dandy spinner, and we are going to find out what our first part is. Ready? Count me down. 3, 2, 1. What number did I land on? You're right, that number is 3. Go ahead and show me 3 on your fingers. We are going to write 3 inside one of those parts. My part hole. So I can put it in either one of these. I'm going to put mine in this one. Go ahead and put a 3 in there for me. Are you ready to find out what our other part is? Me too, but first, I want to build it with cubes. You can build it with me if you'd like to, or you can just watch me build it. I have 1, 2, 3. So now I have 3 orange cubes to match my 3, just like that, okay? Now, since we missed Monday, that's why we're rolling it twice. So let's spin it one more time to find out what our other part is. Ooh, what's that number? The number is 5. Go ahead and show me 5 on your fingers. And give yourself a nice high five. Let's go ahead and put that inside our other parts. Just like that. That's all you should have right now. Now I'm going to build 5 with my other cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 green cubes to match that number. So I have 3 orange and 5 green. So all you need right now is this number bond. Now, if you have exactly what I have, you are ready for our next step. Before finding out how many we have all together, I would like to show a picture that represents our numbers. So our picture is going to have the same amount as these numbers. So what's that first number right here? 3. Just like I have 3 cubes, I'm going to draw 3 quick circles underneath that number. They should be nice and small so I can fit it in. We've been working on making them organized so they're not all over the place. They're nice and close together. Great job. I have 1, 2, 3. Now we need to draw squares for 5. And the reason why I'm doing squares is so they don't get all jumbled in there, so we can see the difference. Just like I have orange and green. They're just a little bit different. So just like I have 5 cubes, we need to draw 5 little squares. Are you ready? 1, 2. Do it on your own. Make sure they're nice and close to each other. Thumbs up when you're done. So I have 3 over here and 5 over here. Now what do I do to find out how many I have all together? What's something that we could do? Well, all we have to do is count our picture because we're showing 3 over here and 5 over here. To find out how many we have all together, we just need to count all of them. Ready? Let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, keep going, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have all together? 8. So we're going to put a nice big 8 up here. Just to be sure, I'm going to double check on my cubes that I made. So I'm going to stick them together because we want the whole, we want the total. So go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our whole is 8. Let's go ahead and draw a picture to show how many we have all together, which is 8. Let's go ahead and do triangles. Ready? We are drawing 8 quick triangles. Not too big to make sure they can fit. I did 5 on the top and then I kept going on the bottom to make them nice and organized. Awesome job, you guys. Pause if you need to catch up. But we showed our numbers. We drew a picture for our numbers, and then we counted all together to find our whole. Great job today. Go ahead and take a picture, and you can send it on Seesaw so we can see the awesome work that you did today. See you next time.